I've stolen my girlfriend's car because this exhaust has got to go. It's terrible. It drones. It's loud. It sounds terrible. Oh. So we're going to change that out for her today. Okay, so here we are. This is the muffler that's on there currently. We are going to be swapping it out with this Flowmaster here, which should be pretty straightforward. I mean, I'm just gonna cut it right here, right behind this weld, all the way around, and then basically slide it on and weld it on. I was trying to keep that muffler, but there's just no room in this tunnel. Basically, you got this little muffler here, which there's just no room to put it. So we're gonna cut this muffler off and weld that one on, and then we'll deal with the exhaust tips. That's gonna be a pretty straightforward job. Also gonna be doing an oil change and then swapping out these rear sway bar links because these things are cached. Well, that one is anyways. So yeah, it's gonna be swapping those out. Okay. Hopefully this slips over. It does. Awesome. Look at that. And of course it doesn't line up. Because why would it? Why would it? Of course, I hate the fact that it's not centered in the cutout in the muffler, but there's nothing I can do about that right now. We'll just have to get another muffler and weld that one on. But this is what we're doing with this one right now, so let's get the welding. There it is. Do an oil change and some sway bar links, and then we'll drop it down and see what it sounds like. All right, we got the muffler on. Obviously, I need to get an offset muffler to bring this over, but proof of concept, just want to make sure this muffler sounds decent on here anyways. So if it does, I'll get an offset muffler. That way we'll line it up, and then we can put the tips back on it that she wants and loves. Anyways, so got the sway bar links done. I don't know if you can see them up in there. And the oil change is done. So now we are ready to drop it down, put some oil in it, and then we can fire it up and see how it sounds. Now that I don't, yeah, that sounds equally as terrible. And probably equally as loud as well. I never claimed to be an exhaust expert, but yeah, that, well. Anyways, thanks for watching. You know what, well, let's take it out on the road, and then, yeah, we'll deal with that. But anyways, thanks for watching. All right, we're out on the road. It's really drony at about 3,000 RPM. But let's hear what it sounds like at wide open throttle when I get up over here. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's quieter, definitely, but I don't know.
Hits a tire and motor and